Hi everyone, Courtney Roulston here. Now there is no one more excited for the festive season than me. There's nothing better than enjoying some delicious food in our gorgeous Aussie weather. I have got the perfect recipe that's going to impress all of your friends and family, my gingerbread cherry galette. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? We are going to kick off with our gingerbread pastry. Pop 200 grams of flour into a food processor, along with 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a good dash of our ground ginger, pinch of sea salt, and 100 grams of cold butter. Pop the lid on and we're going to blitz this until it looks like breadcrumbs. Now that the butter's worked through the flour, I'm going in with 125 grams of cream cheese. Pop the lid on and just blitz this until the dough comes together in a ball. Homemade pastry is as easy as that. I'm going to press our gingerbread pastry into a disc, wrap it in plastic and set it aside in the fridge for an hour or two to rest. The pastry's had its rest in the fridge. Lightly dust your board, grab a rolling pin, and we're going to roll this out till it's about 1/2 centimetre thick. Now that the pastry's all rolled out, in here I've got a mixture of almond meal, flour, some brown sugar, and 2 of my favourite Christmas spices, some orange zest and some cinnamon. I'm just going to give this a mix and put it on the base of the galette. This is going to stop the pastry from getting soggy as it cooks. The next step, you're going to need about 600 grams of gorgeous Aussie summer cherries. Onto the cherries, I've got a little bit of brown sugar and corn flour. Pop the cherries onto the top of that almond, orange and cinnamon mixture. So all you need to do now is to really roughly fold that up. The final step before this gets into the oven, I've just got a little egg wash and I'm going to brush around the outside of the pastry. Final step is a little bit of Demerara sugar over the pastry to give us a gorgeous texture. All you need to do now is to pop this into a hot oven, about 200 degrees for 45 minutes. Here she is out of the oven, a thing of beauty. That is my gingerbread cherry galette. Best of all, it comes in at under $5 per serve. So it's great value as well, which we all need this time of year. For this recipe and loads more fantastic food inspiration, check out coles.com.au.